Hey everybody, this is Mike from JM Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the LeapFrog, my own LeapFrog educational toy. So my son uses this one, he really likes it, so I'll show you how it works. Here's where you would turn it on and off. Turn it there, and then you can put it down here for it to be a little bit louder. I'm gonna put it a little lower. So that's the little screen. You can change this here to games, music, messages, ABC. ABC is the one that usually put it on, but messages is just a message, and then it'll tell you the email. So that's the messages. There's little games. The games aren't, they're okay, but so they give you little details on different animals and stuff like that. I mean, the games are okay. I really mostly like the ABC mostly, and I'll show you why. So you press a letter. So I like that it says L and it says O, like it gives you the phonetics of how it sounds, and then you can press N. So that's very helpful for kids to know. It shows you, each of the little animals or whatever it wants to show you. Yeah, so it shows you everything there. So it's pretty cool. My son loves this one. And yeah, and then they have music also. Press little whatever, depends on what you press. Makes a different sound. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. I like it. He enjoys it a lot. This is how it looks like on the back. The other side. You can also grip it from here. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. And then like I said, if you want to turn it off, you just do it like that and turn it on here. So hope the video was helpful and hope you enjoy it.